Okay, today I am going to do a little bit of salvaging. I'm going to take this down tube off of the old frame that I didn't like, and I'm going to repurpose it because it has a bend in it that I'd like to use. And I'm doing that belt drive, Pinion Gearbox Drive, and since it's for myself, I don't mind reusing some tubes. This was for a really hardcore bike, and so it's a little more substantial than I need. But I like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and take it. And I don't think I'll lose any integrity on the tube. These right here were just braze-ons, and so they just melt right off when you put heat on them. So I'm going to go ahead and use a cut-off grinder and pick these off. All right. There you have it, all cut off. Now I just need to clean that up, and I'll do a measurement and see how much of the tube I need for my bike. Okay, so I got my jig out, and I'm getting ready to go ahead and set the angles for my pinion gear frame. And I salvaged a tube from an old bike, which I think I showed a little bit in a little video that I'll hopefully will show before this one. But I salvaged this tube because it was a bent tube, and I wanted to have a bent tube on this bike. I think when I was going through the design, I was okay with either or, but I decided I was going to go ahead and try to use this one. Well, I cut it out. It's actually almost the perfect length. It's got a little excess, which is perfect, but I want to show you something. And because the pinion box is kind of on the heavy side, right? And though I'm not a big weight weenie, I thought I'd check this out, and so I went and just grabbed the tube and decided to weigh it. And this tube comes out to be 1.28 pounds, okay? And as you can see, I have another tube that is uncut, basically the same length. It's actually a little bit longer, but it's just straight. All right, and when I weigh it, it's 0.88 pounds. Okay. So you guys do the math. That's actually quite a bit of weight. I mean, granted, it has a chin splice or a chin gusset on it already, and it still would work. And it's got the doubler for the cable routings. But this is a this is a hefty ass tube, and you know, I'm just not willing to wait to buy another tube that is bent and then do all the mitering for it when I have a perfectly good down tube right here. It's just straight. So I made the executive decision and I'm going to go ahead and use the straight down tube just to save some money